this pretty girl over here go to a ball game. That seemed like a story of our life. Ball game or dance.
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
That's right. Our birthday party.
Our birthday party. Well, we gonna go.
I got a birthday this week.
You what?
I got a birthday this week.
Got a birthday this week. It's birthday girl. How old you gonna be?
That's not nice.
Baby. She's just a baby. That's all it is. She's just a baby. But we
Not a
going.
nice question.
Huh?
It ain't a nice question.
Well, we going off this weekend, and we gonna do something this weekend we ain't done in how long?
7 years.
7 years. When we go off this weekend, baby doll's gonna pack a suitcase, cause we can't take the house.
Stay in a motel.
And we're gonna stay in a motel room, cause we can't take the house. This'll be our first dance competition
We always doing it.
that we ain't took the motor home to, cause it's broke. Thank you, Bambi, Rudolph, and all the other ones in between. But we headed yonder way. We just having more fun than the law allows. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna pull up here and get out this gated community that we live in.
It's the best thing we ever done.
She loves this electric gate. Battery powered, solar. There you go, swinging too.
I wonder if he got his sign up today. They said it'd probably be tomorrow.
Look at my hitchhiker out there on the hood. They're all the time getting around. We had a snake out there like that one time. Tell them about that snake, baby.
Oh, he was right there under the
Windshield wiper.
windshield wiper. He was peeping at me.
And she like to have a cow.
Because, you know, there's places they can get in.
She didn't know if he was inside or outside.
No, I knew he was outside, but I thought he could get in.
Oh, she thought he was going to come inside and ride with us.
No, I got out.
Huh? There goes my man. There goes my little...
You get blowed off?
No, he's getting blowed around. He tried to move, and when he did, he flipped up a ways. See?
Poor feller.
Poor fella. I hate it for him. Teach him to get in the wrong place. Maybe he'll jump off when we stop up here at the stop sign. I'm gonna be a nice feller to my little old lizard friend. I'm gonna hit him off so he don't get blowed off and get killed. He's on the ground now. Maybe he'll survive. He may be bird food too. He'll wind up being bird food one day. Snake food or something. How's that way there?
You got it.
Little rats catch it and eat them, but I imagine they do. Birds, rats, everything. Hey, somewhere in the food chain, you're food. And we're food to certain animals. Somewhere in the food chain, you're food.
Journey with you.
If you like my Papa's channel, Road Naps and Chaos, make sure to like and smash that subscribe button.
We pray we'll see you in the rapture.